Naturally Corporate. It's Try It Out Tuesday. So the product I am trying out for you today is something I've been curious about for a while. I am trying shower steamers. And if you are not familiar with what shower steamers are, I put them in the same category as bath bombs. And bath bombs are those compact balls that you just toss into your bath water and they dissolve, kind of like an Alka-Seltzer, and they smell really nice. They may have some essential oils in them or something like that. Really pretty, and they enhance your bath experience. Well, the shower steamers do the same thing, but for your shower. And you know, I like baths, but I take way more showers than baths. So I wanted to kick up my shower game. And I love my shower gels and all of my body scrubs, all those things. But hey, there's a new product out there and we had to try it out. And I settled on this one. This brand is Zen Time Moments. And I settled on this brand because I could read all of the ingredients, honestly. And, you know, I was looking and looking and looking. I got overwhelmed. So I stepped back from the computer and just figured out, you know, just let my eyes take a break, let my brain take a break and come back. Because there are so many out there to choose from. So I settled on this brand because, like I said, I could read all of the ingredients, and let me tell you what they are. The ingredients for these shower steamers are baking soda, citric acid, shea butter, witch hazel, natural clay, fragrance oils, natural essential oils, menthol crystals, and dried botanicals. They all seem really harmless, and the ingredients were, you know, a big factor for me because not only do I want to make sure that what I'm inhaling is safe for me, but I'm thinking about like my plumbing system too, because these are going to dissolve and go down in my drain. So, you know, kind of lots of factors. Let me show them to you. You get 6 shower steamers in this container, and as I'm showing them to you, let me just tell you, they are very, very fragrant. This little box, this little package came in plastic wrap, almost like a shrink wrap, just to protect everything. Through the plastic wrap, through the box, and with them being individually wrapped, I could still smell them. They are very fragrant. And actually, if you put your nose right up to them, they're pretty overpowering and really strong. But that gave me hope, because my thought is, if they smell this strong through the packaging, they should smell really nice in my shower and in my bathroom. So that is the hope. But you get 6 shower steamers in this particular package by Zen Time, and it's one bath bomb, but it's like a combination of 2 scents. So I have a piece of paper, a little cheat sheet, and I'm just gonna read off what the scents are. So you get 6 steamers, and here are the different fragrances, and they are all supposed to have, to give you different experiences. So you have lemongrass and citrus. So that's 1 scent. And then orange and grapefruit. So each bath bomb is like a combination of scents, if I didn't say that. Lemongrass and citrus, orange and grapefruit. These 2 are for freshness and energy. There's eucalyptus and mint. That's for sinus relief. You have rose and cherry blossom for calmness. And then the last 2, there's lavender and chamomile, and jasmine and vanilla, and those 2 are for stress relief and restful sleep. So those all sound really good. I don't have issues with my sinuses, but I certainly would love to be energized and refreshed when I take my morning shower, and then when I take my showers at night. I really need something to help me relax and have a restful sleep, because I have not been sleeping. different video. I'll save that for a different video. But I definitely need something that can help me relax. And so behind each bath bomb is a little message, and it just tells you what scent it is and what it can do for you. Like this particular one says, rejuvenate and melt the stress away with the scent of jasmine and vanilla. And this one does smell really nice. So I am going to test out one of these for you. I don't know which one I'll pick yet, but I'm gonna test out one of these shower steamers and let you know my thoughts. So stay tuned. All right, so I am back to give you my first impressions on these luxury shower steamers. All right, so let me just say, I followed the directions exactly as they were written because I wanted the best outcome. Oh, let me tell you this, the one I chose. I chose the lemongrass and citrus, and that scent is to uplift your spirit and energize your body. Lemongrass and citrus. So, like I said, I followed the directions exactly as they were written to make sure that I was using it correctly, because this is my first time trying not just these shower steamers, but any shower steamers. And it said to let your water run on hot for 2 minutes. I did that, and then I put in the shower steamer where it said to put it, which is don't put it in direct, under the direct stream of the water. So I put it near the corner of my shower stall. Just enough so that some flecks of water could get on it and activate it. No problem. So that happened. I saw it fizzing just a little, but it wasn't enough to get excited about. So I waited about 30 seconds or a minute, and I flicked some water on it to see if that would give any different reaction. Just a little bit more fizz. So at that point, I moved it more inward. So more away from the corner and more inward to where the actual shower water was running. I did get a little bit more fizz, but nothing exciting. Not what I was hoping to see. So I gave it, another minute or so, and then I kind of saw what was really going on. So let's get into the pros of these luxury shower steamers. I will say they're packaged very neat. I like that all 6 of them came intact. None of them were broken, considering how, they're fairly delicate. So they're individually wrapped, really nice and neat, all intact. Nothing was broken. I hate when you buy something and it's broken up in little crumbles, especially something like this. So packaged very neat. Very easy to use. Simply take off the wrapper and follow the directions. Put it in your shower on a raised surface. And I'll show you. I used a little mouthwash cup to put mine on. And another con is that the shower steamer is not messy. I had an initial concern about it making my shower slippery. My shower is ceramic tile, so I didn't know if there would be any residue that would make the shower floor surface slippery, because nobody has time to be slipping and sliding in the shower. But that did not happen, so that was another great pro. There was no residue left over. Everything that did fizz out just went right down the drain, and no slipping, no sliding, not messy. You can't even tell anything was there. So yeah, easy to use. I love the packaging. You can just take one out at a time as you want it, and there's no cleanup. So definitely those are my pros. Now let's get into these cons. The scent did not show up for me. It just didn't show up. And for as fragrant as these shower steamers were in the package, under the plastic wrap and all of that, I had such high hopes. I expected so much more. They are not the one I used was not very fragrant at all. And you know, my shower is a standalone shower. It's totally independent of the bathtub. So there wasn't like a huge surface area that needed to be filled up with scent. Just a nice size shower stall. And it's enclosed. The only way the scent will go out is it wafts up through the very top, but it would have to pass by my nose first. You know what I'm saying? So the scent just didn't hit it for me. I barely smelled anything. Actually, I can tell you, I smelled more of the fragrance outside of the shower when I got out than I did inside. And that's not the purpose, because this is supposed to enhance your shower experience. So I didn't get that. The scent was definitely not there. It did not completely dissolve. So let me show you. Here is the shower steamer that is left. This is what did not dissolve. And in comparison to the size of it before, before you put it in the shower, let me just pull out another one. So here's the original size, and then here's what was left. All right, so I assumed that it would dissolve completely, and I took a 10-minute shower, and that's a little bit longer than my normal showers. I think my average shower may run anywhere from 6 to 8 minutes, I guess. I've never timed it, but I intentionally took a little bit of a longer shower today just to give the steamer time to do what it do. But it didn't do. It did not dissolve all the way. And like I said, this is how I put mine in my shower. I used a little mouthwash cup and set it down like this. So yeah, it didn't dissolve completely, and it just didn't dissolve completely. The last con, and the most important con, is the price. So for these 6 shower steamers, and I purchased these from Amazon, and forgive me if I said that before, or if I've said it several times, I don't know if I did, but I purchased these from Amazon. These 6 shower steamers were $21.99. And divide that by 6, so that's roughly a little bit over $3.50 a piece. Now, to me, that's not bad. That's not too bad of a price point for a luxury beauty product for your shower. If it works. That's not too much to pay if the product works. But if it doesn't work, then that's a whole different thing. And I get it. I can understand why these might have cost more than some of the several other shower steamers that I saw on Amazon, because I think it has a lot to do with the ingredients. I mentioned to you, these are vegan, paraben-free, and gluten-free. So those things make a difference. All of the ingredients, I had no problem reading. They're like 1 or 2 syllable words, everything easy to read. So I think ingredients had a big part to play in why these cost so much. And I'm okay with that because I chose to buy these based on the ingredients, just to make sure that they were safe and what I was inhaling was also safe. So that's okay. My concern is that if they don't work, yeah, this is, what am I supposed to do with these now? So in fairness to the product, I will, of course, I'm going to try another one to see if I get any different type of outcome. But the first one just didn't quite cut it for me. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed in my shower steamer experience, but I will try another one just to see if something happens different with another one of these in the pack. I have 5 left, and the scents are so nice. I would love to be able to experience some of the luxury that they claim. And so let me know if you've tried shower steamers. These were new to me, and you may have a brand to recommend, and just share your thoughts with me on the shower steamers. All right, well, thank you for watching this episode of Try It Out Tuesday, and I will see you next month.